Forget diamonds, these are Earth's real jewels. 10. Northern cardinal, red beauty of winter. 9. Mandarin duck, the world's most stunning duck. 8. Eclectus parrot, males green, females red-purple. 7. Flamingo, pink elegance in shallow lakes. 6. Gouldian finch, tiny rainbow of feathers. 5. Resplendent quetzal, sacred Mayan legend. 4. Keel-billed toucan, rainbow-beaked painting. 3. Indian peafowl, the peacock, king of glamour. 2. Scarlet macaw, fiery parrot of the Amazon. Wilson's bird of paradise, paradise jewel, unmatched beauty. Nature's treasures. Which bird amazed you most?